Today, made these octopuses today. These guys are blue lace agate and clear quartz. And where it looks like it's empty in the octopus head, that is where the clear quartz is. Clear quartz just literally becomes invisible when it's in resin. So, yeah. There's its little tentacles. And this one has aluminum and the zinc plated steel BBs. And this one is also blue agate, blue lace agate, clear quartz. And of course you can kind of see some of the areas where the clear is. And this one is also aluminum, the silver BBs, and some sparkly. I don't know if you can see the sparkly in there, hopefully, because it's quite beautiful. And then this guy, I'm loving these. Lee has to take these out of the mold because I cannot get this out of the mold. But anyway, this is garnet at the top, rose quartz, aluminum, and then a layer of just pink, sparkly, beautiful with some chunks of clear quartz in there. And then more aluminum. I love this one. Yeah.